Today it's just so reassuring. It gave me a lot of confidence to know that all these businesses in the room have the same struggles as we do. There's something for everyone to take away, whether it's just a little piece of information. The man beside me had hired an employee concierge as one of their employees, which resolved a lot of problems for them.
It's just comforting to know that there's a place to go to find the answers you're looking for.
You realize how much work you've done, you realize how much work you still have to do, and it's sort of a reminder of what the things are you need to prioritize on, and then that everyone in the room still has so much to work on, and you're not the only one going through those struggles and challenges. So it's understanding that you're not unique, you're not a unique little snowflake, at least not with having troubles and challenges.
Being able to feel that I'm in a safe environment, to be vulnerable, to talk about what I'm not good at or what I'm having a challenge with, and to know that the vulnerability is received with care and someone's going to provide valuable feedback and suggestions and advice on how I can move my business forward. I think one of the biggest takeaways I had from today was the power of networking, the power to be able to sit with peers, other owners just like me, and talk in an open and frank way about the ways that we're going to improve the lives of our customers, of our team members, and of those that we take care of.
When they leave the workshops, I think the most important thing that they gain is more self-confidence of knowing that they're not alone and that they've got a great resource of solutions, and that they actually have been able to take a main business challenge that they have, work through it and think through it throughout a day, and leave with a workbook full of notes and ideas that they can take back and implement.